The train was once called the Iron Horse, but even the most untamed horses don't derail as often as these trains caught on camera. Looks like a slightly expensive mistake to me. Sometimes tracks aren't enough to keep a tram on course. When approaching a junction, always remember to look left, right, and then scream the word tram. Red and white barriers, train zooming past. Yeah, that probably means I can go. It's normal accident when you have expensive car but have zero driving skills. The definition of a bad left turn. Well, that looks safe. The problem with slow speeds is that disaster soon finds a way to catch up. That's a long train, so it's going to take a long time to clear up any mistakes. If you've ever wanted air conditioning for your truck, then try this. A driver who clearly has horse blinders on. That dislodged paving slab can't be a good sign, especially as all those tanks are carrying ethanol.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Ladies and gentlemen, please purchase your tickets for the train to hell.
うわー、あ、電車に落ちた。しかもこれ今
Train versus car. Guess who wins? This driver is having a really bad day. It's never good when your wheels roll away. Just like humans, trains sometimes go to pieces. The last place you want your train to derail is on a high bridge. Why it's smart to park far back from a train crossing. A train comes up against a tornado, and the results are not pretty. Here's a complete idiot spotted in the wild, soon to be on the endangered species list. Here's why you should always stand behind the yellow line. To be fair, elephants aren't usually welcome at train stations. They have to try alternative methods. If the train starts looking like fireworks, then you might want to wait to catch the next one. In the battle of tractor versus train, there can be no winner. Another tram takes a devastating wrong turn. The crazy thing is that these cars are still inching forward, waiting to cross. Not the kind of extreme close-up they were hoping for. Your train has well and truly arrived. Just like trains, trams drive on tracks, so they can't easily avoid an idiot in a car. Why did they build this track near a landslide? Seems careless.
Holy
Patience is a virtue, and this truck driver has none. The aftermath of one very serious crash. Lightning and electric trains just aren't a good combo. A cow on the line. That's got to be a problem for train drivers, right? A car that apparently has no side mirrors. And even if it does, it won't for long. Dashcam footage doesn't get much more dramatic than this. Is it just me, or are you starting to think the life of a train spotter seems quite exciting? As you can see from the rocking train, there's a very good reason to drive slowly in this area. Frankly, if this train doesn't derail, it'll be a miracle. Sadly, that's not just a cloud that's decided to come down to Earth for a rest. There appears to be something on the tracks. A train pileup is even more problematic than a car pileup.
Holy!
The most shocking thing about this is the relaxed way the guy exits his car. An entire train line collapses in Mexico. Scary. When a trolley bus meets a tram head-on. Who do you call in times like these when the fire department's already there?
Holy shit! Holy fuck! Holy fuck!
What's the opposite of an explosion? This. Here's some intense footage of a derailment that looks like it came straight from a movie. Both the motorist and train driver immediately had to stop and change their underwear. Commuters escaped from a London Underground train after an emergency incident. It was very nearly a case of almost when it came to this train staying vertical. When this train derailed, it really derailed. No, it's not just leaning to allow passengers to slide out the other side. This railroad bridge was clearly built by the man who invented dominoes. We can only assume that the rent on these market stalls is pretty cheap. Here's a man who really needs to get to the other side in a hurry. Truly dramatic footage here. A train derailed by a bomb. A train crashed so badly that even the luggage is trying to escape. A drunk idiot with a guardian angel. You should never stick your head out of a train, especially not when you see things like this. A great place for a camera. The most dangerous thing about wearing headphones isn't their effect on your ears. No, they're not waiting for a lift back to the farm. They're stuck. Truck meets tram and chaos ensues. Part train, part boat. Hey, there's a train on my track. Hey, there's a train on my track too. The worst possible place for your motorcycle to get stuck? Right here.
Bego! Anh sợ tịt đấy. Bego, jelema sợ tịt đấy.